Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 IAL Edexcel Accounting Unit 1. Question number 1, Part B. The owner of Nice and Green is considering closing the sales showroom department and offshoring the sales only online. The sales showroom would then be rented to another retailer. Evaluate the possibility of closing the sales showroom department and selling only online. So what is the advantage and disadvantage of closing down one department and retaining the other department? We have to evaluate the arguments. So what is the favor? Okay, what is favorable when you close down the sales showroom department and selling online sales? The sales showroom is currently making a loss. So earlier we had prepared the departmental profit and loss, another comprehensive income. We can see that the sales showroom, okay, was making a loss of 16,420, whereas the online sales was making a profit of 25,940. So we can write that. So the sales is making a loss of around, you can mention the loss amount. It is 17,420, okay, for 17,420 pounds. So here it is making a loss of 17,420 pounds, and the closure means you will reduce your loss, right? When you close down, when it's not working, and it will help you to improve your overall total profits. Renting this sales showroom to another retailer, it will bring the additional income stream. Now you will have fewer departments for management to manage, and therefore they can concentrate on the repairs and online sales. Okay, they don't have to worry on the other department which was making a loss. Online sales is already represent nearly 50% of his business and is a growing trend. Okay, and it is making a profit of 25,940. So 940. So 25,940, and is making profit of 25,940. Okay, 25,000. So it is making a profit of 25,940 pounds. So it is making a profit of this. So how does it? He said it is 50% of the thing, because it is already, see, if you see here, this showroom sales is only 150,000. So 150,000. Okay, so showroom sales, room sales is equal to 150,000 pounds. Okay, it is just 150,000 pounds, whereas and online sales is equal to 350,000 through 350,000 pounds. So what is the percentage of the total sales? So percentage, okay, of online sales is, it is equal to 350,000 divided by the total revenue you have, 150,000 plus 250,000 plus 250,000 plus 350,000. Okay, so what is the proportion? Times the 100, times 100. So that is going to be equal to, so 350,000 so that is represents almost 0 point, that is equal to 46.6 percentage, or up, or 50 percentage. Okay, it is more than 50 percentage. So that is why you are saying it is already representing 50% of this business and it is also making a profit. So it is better to retain. So better to retain online sales. To get more profit. What is the a disadvantage of closing down the sales showroom and selling online sales shop? It's saying that the apportionment and expenses are only estimates and therefore may be inaccurate. When you are saying this percentage, when you are saying I'm going to use 50 percentage based on some apportionment you did, these are estimates and it might be inaccurate. Any closure means the fixed overhead costs will be borne by other two departments. So like the maintenance cost, management salaries, whatever the other fixed overheads, the rent, heat and light costs, all this general expenses, all this cost, rent of premises, wages, all these fixed overheads will have to be borne by other departments. Then loss of customers who prefer the shop in person rather than online. You will also lose out on customers who don't want to shop in person because they want to touch and see the product. They will not, they will be lost. Then the business will lose the advantage of offering the complimentary service. And if no local sales, the work on the workshop may be reduced. Sales returns are high with online sales. If you see which has the greatest returns, okay, the online sales is around 65,000. So the sales returns are high on the online showroom with 65,000 pounds returns. So that is the value of the pounds that is being returned, and these levels will further increase if the side of the business is expanded. So then the loss, social accounting issues such as loss to the community, services and employment. You will have to remove the employees, so you will be having redundancy issues also. So these are the points against the closing of the sales room. So what is the point? Whether if it is for shutting down a department, you will say it is making loss and it is not even contributing to the total this thing, and having fewer departments will help you manage the other departments much easier. Whereas what is the advantage, okay, what is the disadvantage of closing down a department is generally you will be having apportionments are just estimates and it might be inaccurate to close down. And also if you close down, the other departments will have to bear the overhead cost. You might also lose out on the customers who are visiting this department, and you will have redundancy costs also because you will have to remove some employees when you are shutting down the department. So but in conclusion, you can say it is better to close down the sales showroom and sell online and concentrate on making profit, okay, on making the profit making department. So this is how you can conclude for an argument when you are trying to retain